Hello everyone, I am so happy that you're here, and in this week's video I am going to be doing a voiceover on a video that I uploaded a while back to my Spanish channel. It's a very simple Selena Quintanilla look. I am going to be using a MAC fluffy blending brush, and I am going to be applying this shade just on my crease, but keep in mind that this color is very pigmented. Then I am going to use a darker shade, and I am going to be applying that just on the outer crease and extending it a bit towards the inner crease. I am then going to be using this shimmery color, which is amazing, and I am going to be applying it. There you can see me saying wow, because the shade is just absolutely beautiful. Now I am going to be using the lightest shade, and I am going to apply it on my brow bone. I love that color so much that I'm also going to be applying a little bit on my brow bone as well. I am going to be using a black eyeliner to line my eyes like Selena did. And then with this shade and a more precise brush, I am going to line the bottom of my eyes, and this is just going to create more depth. I am going to be using these lashes. I am going to also link everything down for you guys in case you are planning to recreate this look. Now I am going to be applying concealer, and I am going to be blending that with my fingers. A little bit of mascara after I apply the lashes. Now I am going to be contouring, and I am going to be using her highlighter. Going to be using her lipstick, which I love. It is such a beautiful color, and in case you guys are wondering, I'm actually not going to use this makeup anymore. I'm going to just keep it forever because I am such a Selena fan, and that is the look. I hope you loved it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.
You think about all the ways I'm making you smile.